Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. On today's project, we're going to build a trellis for our cucumbers. Let's get started. Everybody loves cucumbers. I really don't like cucumbers, but I absolutely love pickles. The thing about cucumbers is, if you put them in a bed, they're going to completely take over your whole bed. Kind of like these sweet potatoes are doing. So today we're going to fix the problem of our cucumbers taking over our bed. How are we going to do that, you might ask? We're going up. So the plan for today's video is we're going to build a trellis on the back side of our raised bed and let those cucumbers grow up the trellis. Now, this is not going to be real expensive. Picked up these furring strips at Lowe's. They were like $2 a piece, $1.98, something like that. And I've also got some trellis netting that I got off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks. So you could do this for less than 20 bucks. So basically what I'm going to do is just build a square, and each side of the square will have some feet that hang down, and they'll go on the side, either side of the raised bed, and then I'll attach it to the raised bed that way. Now, one reason why I wanted to do it this way is because with those legs hanging over, I'll be able to scoot the trellis up and down anywhere I need to, so it will work out for me in following years depending on what I have planted. So let's get to it. Alright, got that put together. Real simple, just a square, a couple of cross pieces on it to keep it sturdy. Here is the netting. Nope. Like I said, I got this from Amazon. I think I said 15 bucks. Actually, it was 10 for a 5 by 30 foot piece, so I can do several trellises with this one piece of netting. It's just squares like that. So I'm gonna get this put on here and get it stapled on. Alright, that was pretty easy. Did not take any time at all. I just stapled the netting on. Now we'll let that cucumber grow right up the net.
That's really tall. I think it'll stay up there.
I hope so.
How are we gonna get the cucumbers off of it?
Probably have to get a ladder. That's probably a little too tall. I may end up having to cut it down. That's just a little too big. If you want to grow tall cucumbers, I guess that's the way to do it. All right, that's much better. I cut that one down, so I'll get several trellises out of that. I think that works pretty good. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and I really think you ought to watch this video.